Yeah, basically.
Ooh, yeah. What's your motherfucking title, man? Atitami upele na zitaratani namsindisa voni cheza tinga nyami situzinji ndito ektongari ya Zimbabwe rakrosa nabangana ngantani ya mali Wana manini dhitogo mene Gori obu psilo muna dipandere Oh Wana manini dhitogo mene Gori obu psilo ndi muna dipandere Yeah
Vale navo ndi vavura avo toti ni chikapura mafura vana vufura vadivisa zivura ni chiremburu wanga fumo vanipfura yeah vanifuna nikoruva ni chitomofara saka vakopula yeah vati mali ya kuluma where I'm from mitiro ya valavula samromo wandao jana ndisongo shumisa chikao yeah they wanna know how did I lift up they thought I was done yeah denda mapeni ndatesha nganamba nanzima crown yeah sabizi panda le paper muna unakachikwam yeah
Atitami upelele zitaratani namsindisa voni cheza tinga nyami situzinji ndito ektongari ya Zimbabwe rolo navangana ngantani ya mali I don't give up, I won't get nothing But if I push on, I'ma get something I don't give up, I won't get nothing But if I push on, I'ma make something, yeah
All I know is everything could be shuma Unenda baba parelo funa Baba mfuna zino chendi shuma Wako to the fruit pie But to the lisa keshi cheaper I've been in the dough Papa rim like jawo yetsamba mama boy Those people ring a meti yatangana boy
Yeah, ungara chaundura tapa boy Ola norte opana boy Songo bachigo chanama my boy Kwenda nito bachirenga nama my boy Songo chidalo bakaza my boy Uchindo bukandela panda my boy Zona sola toshikana my boy Wako toda ni chibamba my boy
I tell you little sister you can do it Change the situation you can do it If you really want it girl Just wait for it Just put in the work you can do it Atitami upele na zitaratani namsindisa voni cheza tinga nyami situzinji ndito ektongari ya Zimbabwe rakrosa navangana ngantani ya mali
Yeah Oh yeah you can do it Chingwe chikundiswanga chingwe ndi buchironi you know But you still can get something You just have to dream again Welcome to my mixtape. My name is Crazy Fraser, by the way. Enjoy the rest of the tape. And most importantly, learn something.